Lovebugs, also known as honeymoon flies, are common in the southeastern United States. While harmless to humans and animals, they'll swarm around home and car exteriors, and they can damage paint with their acidic body fluids. In this video, we'll go over lovebug identification and show you how to keep them away from your property. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Lovebugs are small, black March flies with slender bodies. The males grow up to 6 to 7 millimeters in length, and the females grow up to 6 to 9 millimeters. They have long black wings and reddish-orange thoraxes. The reason these pests are called lovebugs is because they spend most of their adult lives mating, and they only live for about 3 to 4 days as adults. A male and female lovebug will mate, then the male will die and remain attached until the female is ready to lay eggs. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Lovebugs are found in the southern United States, especially in regions close to the coast. They congregate in large numbers near sites that produce exhaust fumes from vehicles or lawnmowers, near piles of decomposing plant material, close to hot asphalt, on light-colored surfaces on structure exteriors, and near ornamental plants as they feed on nectar. You'll typically find lovebugs emerge from April to May, and then once more from August to September. You'll often see one male and one female attached together, but you may also find them separate. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time for treatment. Before starting any treatment, wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Before making your application, clean up your yard and trim vegetation around your home. Prune away long tree branches and shrubs, mow the grass to its recommended height, rake away leaf litter, and pick up other plant debris. This will reduce breeding sites and resting sites for insects on your property. Since lovebugs are most noticeable and the biggest nuisance when they congregate on surfaces, we recommend you use a residual repelling insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate made with bifenthrin, so it's labeled to control a wide variety of insects. When applied, it leaves a residual effect that will repel pests and control treated areas for up to 90 days. In a handheld pump sprayer, mix 0.33 to 1 whole fluid ounce of product into 1 gallon of water to treat over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the solution evenly over your lawn and apply it over any ornamentals on your property. Then conduct a barrier application around the outer perimeter of your home. Spray entry points like windows, doorways, and along eaves. Then spray the outer perimeter of your home by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Allow the product time to dry completely. The barrier will work to repel insects from treated areas, and insects that do make contact with the spray or its residual will have their nervous systems impacted and will die in hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. First, keep up with routine lawn care and maintenance. Maintain your trees and shrubs, and continue to mow your lawn regularly when the grass grows too tall. Proper care will reduce the number of spots lovebugs have to rest in. If you're concerned about lovebugs and insect residue on your vehicles, consider getting a wax coating when you get your car washed and install a bug screen. Finally, be sure to keep up with scheduled applications of Supreme IT. This product lasts for up to 90 days, so we recommend you make applications every 3 months to ensure protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop lovebugs from swarming on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.